Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. In this video, we will discuss about cell structures, short keys, range, formula bar, etc. We are going to discuss about cells, which is the basic unit in Excel. If we are vertically selecting the cells from top to bottom, it is called a column, and if it is done horizontally, it is called as a row. In the name box, we can see D5. Here, D represents the column address and 5 the row address. Basically, this is how a cell is addressed. If we have to go to the rightmost side of the sheet, then we can use Control plus right arrow from a blank cell. If it is done from a cell with some data, it goes to the rightmost cell that contains data. In the same way, to go to the bottommost cell, use Control plus down arrow. To go back to the first cell in the sheet, use Control plus home. You can see a number in one of the cells. You can bring it to a blank cell without manually typing it. In a blank cell, put equal to and click on the cell with the data and press enter. The same data is obtained in the new cell. All these you can see on the top bar, which is called the formula bar. In case of certain functions like sum, we have to select cells together. This kind of selection is called range of data. For example, D5 to E9, and it is called the E9 range. You can copy the existing data from one cell to another using the copy function. Short key for copy function is Control plus C. The copied data is pasted in a new cell using the paste function, and its shortcut key is Control plus V. Now, if you would like to change data from its original location to a new one, you can use the cut function, and its short key is Control plus X. Cut, copy, paste are the most commonly used functions. If you would like to have a series in your data, like the week, days or months, just type first two of the series, for example, Sunday, Monday, and drag it down from the right corner of the cell. The whole series will come due to the autofill feature. This is because it is already added in the custom list. You can make a copy of this series in the adjacent column just by dragging it, which will avoid the hassle of typing. For deleting the columns, first select the columns to delete. Then you can remove these either by right-clicking and selecting delete from the sub-menu, or by using Control minus. Columns can also be added in the same way. The shortcut key for this is Control plus. So for insert, it is Control plus, and for delete, it is Control minus. With that said, I am signing off. Let us meet again in the new video with a new topic.